What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today's video will be officially doing, I guess you can call, the very first mod to my Honda S2000. This mod you can actually do for any car, whether you're a car enthusiast or not. You can give it as a gift to a family member, to your parents, to your siblings, to friends. But what that is, and I think is pretty important, is a dash cam. So you guys might be wondering, what's the purpose of a dash cam? If you guys have been following my videos for a while, back in June last year, unfortunately, I got into 2 accidents in a month. And both accidents were not my fault. My Civic Si got rear-ended from the back, and my RSX got hit from the side. So I didn't have any dash cams back then. And what dash cams do is pretty much they record the whole time while you're driving. Some dash cams can even record when you're not driving, when the car's shut off. But essentially what it does, the recording captures in real time what's going on. So someone hits you, you have some sort of video or photo evidence. So there are dash cams that don't break the bank. If you want to go for the highest tier one, you can go for a brand like K-View. They make dash cams for up to like $500. I have that on my Mitsubishi Lancer build just because it's my show car build. I have a bunch of rare parts. I actually got that Blackview dash cam from my fiance for a gift. So what I'll be installing today is a pretty generic dash cam. You can get this one off Amazon. If anyone's interested, let me know. I'll leave a link. I was actually sent out this dash cam from the company because I bought quite a few of the dash cams. I have them in all my cars. So back then I had it in my Mitsubishi Lancer. I have it in my Civic Si and my RSX. RSX is no longer here, sold, but I did sell the dash cam with the RSX. I actually have 2 more dash cams here. I have, so if you look right here, I have the Blackview box still. It's just an empty box. I already installed that dash cam. I also have this dash cam, unused, brand new in the box. I have this currently on my Civic Si. It does have a front and rear camera, I believe. Yeah, pretty easy install. Same company, Total, sent out this one to me. This one is a little bit different design. But let's go ahead and get this installed. Let's open the box and see what's in here. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So this thing records in HD quality, I believe 1080p. That's how it's gonna look on the car, real simple. Your manual guide. So that's the camera itself, real slim design. This is the cigarette lighter socket. So let's go ahead and open up the box to see what's inside. So very first box, let's see. First up we have like these suction cups. It's going to be mounted on like your window, your windshield. This look like, I don't know, like a pick. This is a USB cable to USB-C. I believe this plugs into the camera itself. And this is the secret lighter socket switch. So this is what powers it from your car. Some dash cams you can hotwire it to the battery as well. What that means is basically even if your car is shut off, like it's parked right now, you can still continue recording. I know my Blackview camera does that. Obviously more expensive. This one is a simple one. When it's off, it doesn't run, I think. And let's move on to the other box, see what's. So in the other box, it's just the camera itself. So like I said, this one has a different design. Simple and slim design. I know some of you guys might have watched my other video on the dashcam install. It's really easy. So this is a sticker if you guys are wondering. Smaller instructions. It says dashcam, you need to have your micro SD card. I already went ahead and put an SD card in here. The one I went with is a SanDisk. I already ripped it apart, but SanDisk 32 gigabytes. And it says to format your SD card before you insert it. Turn off dash cam, blah blah blah. So yeah, pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. There's a few parts here. So before putting in the car, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and attach the suction cups, attach the wires, attach whatever I can, and then go ahead and install it in the car. Alright, so I have it all set up here. That's the suction cup. It pretty much slides on, lock on. You can spin it, adjust different angles. The other one right here is the power source, which is the cigarette socket. They also give an extra suction cup, and I believe this one is just to charge it. So if you want to have it charged and not run that you could. I'm not sure how often you have to charge it. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in, you know, save the hassle. So let's go ahead and install this. Super easy. Like I said, some dashcam kits you come with the front and rear. This one's just the front. If you do a rear, then you would have to pretty much have the wires all the way back to the back of the car, or you know, put it on the rear windshield. The S2000 is a convertible, so the rear windshield pretty much folds down whenever the soft top comes off, so that wouldn't work unless I have it routed to my license plate. Some people have a rear view camera right there, but as for right now, I'm just gonna pretty much put it on the front. Like I said, super easy mod. I've done so many of these installs. I definitely recommend it. And like I said, these things literally would take you like 5 to 10 minutes to install, and yeah, good to have. Any car, good to have. So let's go ahead and stick it on the windshield, untie these wires. So for the S2000, my cigarette lighter source is all the way back here. So I want my wires to be clean. So what that means is I probably have to try to run it from here, somehow wiggle its way all around the A-pillar trim and all the way up here. I don't like my wires dangling, so let's see. So my plan is I'm going to route it from here, tuck it underneath, try to hide it under the glove box through the A-pillar. It helps if you have a pry tool like this, like a plastic pry tool trim removal tool. What was cool is when I bought it from Blackview, they actually provided this. Otherwise, you can just, you know, pretty much go to any like O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Home Depot. They should have something like this. Or you can just use your flat tip screwdriver, but make sure not to scratch, you know, the surfaces.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I have everything all wired up. I have my dash cam over here on the windshield. Pretty much I routed from here to the A-pillar, all the way down underneath the glove box area, all the way along the console, all the way here. Because in the S2000, your cigarette lighter source is right here. I know most cars pretty much have it right here by your shifter, but yeah, S2000 is a little bit different. So I have to pretty much tuck it along the edges of the center console all the way. But yeah, let's go ahead and pretty much start up the car and see how it starts up, just to make sure it works. Okay. So I have to go ahead and format the card. Alright, so we're all set. Pretty much we have the dash cam install all done. Like I said, pretty easy process. Takes about maybe 5 or 10 minutes to do. Really easy. The main thing is plugging it in is easy. It's just tucking the wires if you want a clean install. Another thing is you don't have to break the bank and get Blackview for 500 bucks. There are a lot of options out there for like under $100. So as cheap as maybe like $50 to $100. If you guys want to see the one I got, I'll link it in the description below. Like I said, for my daily drivers, usually I get a more affordable one. So far, my Mitsubishi Lancer has the most expensive Blackview one. The S2000 now has the short tool one, which is pretty, I guess you can say affordable. It was sent to me by the company and themselves, since I've had so many of these dash cams. I think I bought like 5 of them from them back then, because I have 3 cars, 1 each. Got it for my fiance, her dad, and pretty much got it for the rest of her family. So yeah, pretty excited. Like I said, whether you're a car enthusiast or not, I definitely recommend it. It makes a great like birthday gift, Christmas gift. It's, I don't know, you want to protect your loved ones. And like I said, when you're driving on the road, you never know if there's a drunk driver or an animal on the street. So it's good to have that video recording. Again, if you guys sit to the end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.